Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at a custom 12-foot D3 Tandem Axle Dump trailer. The D3 features a 72-inch wide dump bed built with a heavy-duty 10-gauge steel floor and heavy-duty 10-gauge steel sides. This makes the D3 dump trailer ideal for moving aggregates like sand and gravel to the job site or the home landscaping project. At the front we have a 12,500-pound 2 5/16 A-frame coupler on a 5-inch channel tongue. However, the D3 is also available in a pintle configuration. We've equipped this trailer with our premium wiring harness, an 8K top-line drop leg jack, and a safety breakaway system. We've added a solar charger on top of the lockable front toolbox to extend the amount of uses by maintaining the battery when the trailer is not in use. To improve over-the-side accessibility, the sides of the D3 are 20 inches tall, and we've equipped them with 4 stake pockets on each side. We've also added 4 additional D-rings in the bed to give additional tie-down options with smaller equipment and materials. We've added a spare tire to the curb side of this trailer for safer access in case of a roadside emergency. To help keep debris and loose aggregates from blowing out while in transit, we've equipped this trailer with a retractable mesh tarp. This tarping solution features a ball-bearing gear system that smoothly tensions or retracts the tarp when not in use. The bed of the D3 is lifted to a 40-degree dump angle by a heavy-duty 5-inch cylinder with premium hydraulic components. For more heavy-duty applications, this D3 has been upgraded with crossmembers on a close 12-inch spacing. This option helps reinforce the 10-gauge steel floor while giving more rigidness to the frame of the dump bed. For our running gear, we have two 5,200-pound Dexter axles with 225/75 R15 radial tires, giving us a 9,900-pound GVWR. The D3 is finished out with a 2-way gate that functions as barn doors for loading equipment or as a spreader to evenly distribute aggregates. As always, you can check out more information on this trailer by going to pjtrailers.com, where you can find your closest dealer to help customize and order your next PJ trailer. Thanks guys.